welcome back to the show. Earlier on when we started, we told you that we have a bit of surprises for you, and we have some new people we want to introduce to you so that you get to know them and know that they are also part of the entertainment industry in the city of Port Harcourt, River State by Station, of course, Nollywood in general. I have with me in the studio our one and only Catherine, who just made a new movie called Bloody Throne. We showed this movie on Wings, and some people were calling to say that how did they come up with the gun effect and shooting effect and all of those. Well, she's in the studio and we're going to find out all of those things now. How did they do it? But before then, welcome to the show, Catherine. How are you?
Cristabel.
Cristabel.
Yes.
Huh. Why do I keep calling you Catherine?
I don't know. My name is Cristabel Forseman.
Cristabel Forseman.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Forgive me. This is not forgivable. But you have to forgive me, right?
Yeah.
Am I forgiven?
You're
Thank you. You look beautiful, by the way. I love your outfit.
Thank you. You too.
Did you put this together for yourself, or maybe someone did it for you?
Someone did,
Oh, really? You have a stylist?
Yes, I do.
I want to be like you when I grow up. You look amazing, girl.
Thank you.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Now, the movie, Bloody Throne. Let's go straight into it.
Okay.
How?
Well, like I said, I've always had a passion for
Movies.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I eventually, went into it this year, actually.
Yes.
And then I decided to produce my own movie. I decided to be very independent about it. And then I talked to a couple of people, and then I got to meet the director,
To put you through.
Yeah, put me through.
Okay.
And then got my script, and then.
Okay, for the script, did you write it yourself?
No.
Did someone write it?
My director actually did.
Okay, so what you're like the idea man, you're the visionary.
Yeah.
You brought the money, you brought the idea, then you put together a team and you guys started to run.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
I'm
How
the
did you?
executive producer, the producer,
Okay.
and the actor.
Some people would say before they even get into the movie industry, they may want to go and maybe do like tutelage with other guys, and then you're just diving right in.
Well, I've done a couple of movies, but
Okay.
they weren't,
Like very popular.
Yeah.
How did you
Because
start?
I'm popular, but I wasn't like the star actress.
Okay.
Yeah.
What movies did you do?
I've done 21 Days Night, I've done Game Zone, I've done
A couple of them there.
Yeah.
Because I know that when you are working, actually it's the working title that they use. When it gets to the market, they change the title somehow.
Yeah.
So because
So
to avoid piracy and all of those things.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's amazing. Tell us a bit about your background in movies.
Well, not much.
Okay.
Because, like I said, I just got into it. So,
That's like a year ago.
Yeah, just about a year.
That's amazing. So what's your best, like, are we going to be seeing you as that wicked grandmother?
You're going to see
girl
like
in love?
I want to be
Bush
that
girl?
bush girl,
Okay.
selling orange,
Okay.
fighting on the streets, acting like a tomboy, bouncing.
Okay, yeah, that kind of stuff. Okay, that's you.
Yeah.
So that's
what I want to be. That's
okay.
the character I really want to be.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Okay, but still, yeah, like.
But I'll still be shaking.
Shaking like a sissy.
Cheek.
Yeah. Okay. That's nice. So before we play the thriller for them,
Okay.
if you had an opportunity to do anything else that is not moving, what would it be?
Already, I'm into recruitment.
Okay.
I have a passion for it. I recruit for companies. I have a passion to, provide employment for people. So I do recruitment already. I employ for companies, hotels, individual domestic staff, engineers, secretaries, you name it.
Anyway, that's amazing. We're not here to advertise you, but we're also here to let them know who you are as a person beyond the movie industry. Now, guys, I would like to show you a trailer of the movie Bloody Throne. And when we come back, we'll talk some more with Cristabel. Cristabel.
It's not Will you drop that thing in your hand now? Drop it!
I am the lion, and the lion will never allow his prey to escape him in the jungle.
I told you I fought wars in Atlanta, and you replied by telling me that you fought wars in Omo. I'm going to give you a befitting burial.
What is in both of us is greater in me, because I am his first son.
Now that you know that the two places are empty, then the center can no longer hold water. I still know a rope that can sit on their behalf. May the gods strike you dead.
I caught the maidens of this land summon themselves together, forgetting the reason why they were employed as maidens.
What has the Queen Mother done to pacify these trendy ensues in the palace?
The palace will be doomed if the secret continues unfolding itself. When will this bloodshed stop in this?
The war shall continue. No, the bloodshed shall continue until Princess Du realizes that I'm the truthful heir to the throne.
My father's first son, you know who should succeed him.
What do you want us to do for you?
I want you to know that you are the next in line on this throne.
I have just come to fulfill your wish.
Alright, welcome back. This is like your debut movie and I think I'm impressed. Okay, thank you. So tell me, I know I've seen some of them. Artists, can you just give me like a highlight of the artists that's featured in this movie? First time your director, who directed this movie?
Bishop Documents.
Alright, then the big cast.
We had Sam Dede,
Okay.
Harry B,
Yes.
Kevin Boo,
Yes.
Nkechi Weje,
Yes. And
Columbus,
yourself.
yeah,
Include yourself. You're like the lead
Cristabel,
cast.
Forseman,
Yes.
and then we had Chidera.
Yeah.
She
Oh,
was
that's
the second princess.
amazing.
She was the one that ended up being the crown queen.
Alright, that's cool. Now I know that this movie is set to premiere on Sunday. Give us the detail of that.
Well, we're going to premiere at Presidential Hotel,
Okay.
4 p.m. prompt.
Okay. What
On
hall?
we're supposed to be using the Royal Hall, but now we've upgraded to the banquet hall.
Oh my goodness, that's like one of the biggest halls in
Yes,
presidential.
yes,
Congratulations, girl. How are you
Thank
able to pull
you.
all these stunts?
Good.
You have
Say
to
good.
show me what you're doing, man. Alright, 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Presidential Hotel
Yeah.
banquet hall?
Yes, banquet.
Banquet hall. 4 p.m. Presidential Hotel Banquet Hall, and the ticket is free. Come see this movie and let us know what you think about it. And this is also a wrap on the segment. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
For having me.
After the event, please come back. Let's talk some more.
Okay.
All right, guys. Up next. Hi guys, I'm hanging out with Cristabel. We just finished our interview on our show on STV Port Harcourt. She's premiering her movie on Sunday in Presidential Hotel Banquet Hall 4 p.m. and it's 100% free. Please come support our girl. The movie name is Blood Throne. So what do you have to say?
See you
on Sunday 4 p.m. Presidential Hotel. Alright, Port Harcourt, that's it. Take care. Bye. Watching the mirror. Now, you cannot take away the fact that beauty pageants have come to stay. You can also not take away its contribution to society.
You know, peace is a collective responsibility.
That's right.
There's no business, no peace. No peace, no business. Entertainment truly is the way to go.
And we must all come together to say yes to peace. Because no development, nothing good happens in the midst of rancor, and acrimony.
Thank you.
Say yes to peace. Let's bygone be bygone to bygone.
All right, guys, this is how we call it a wrap on this segment. Thank you, gentlemen, for coming on the show. Peace, like they say, is priceless. Terror is senseless. Let's give peace a chance, and let's use beauty pageant to push this project.
One love
for our country.
Thank you very much.